guys, coming in. Welcome to One Life Adventures TV. Today we have an awesome adventure for you. We're going to be doing an unboxing today. Say when there's trouble in your life, sing praises. When there is trouble in your life, sing praises. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I had to sing this one out. Hi, cousin. Hi, cousin. Hi, this cousin. Hi guys, welcome to One Life Adventures TV. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be doing an unboxing. So, you know, I'm going to be doing some travel. Cousin, hi. Come say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. That's the grandnephew. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Say hi. My name is Cousin. You want more? I don't know if this is gonna happen today. The grandnephew is wanting his tea. But yeah. Give me a second. So I've been saying for some time now that I need to get some luggage, some new bags, and so my friend Roshane convinced me to get this Telfar bag. So I'm gonna unbox it today. I've had it for a while now, so I was supposed to do this video for a while now, but I just kind of got up with time to do it. So let's see. So I got the medium eggplant. So this is the box it came in. Pretty plain. I tried to cheat before to open it, but then I changed my mind. So, but this is what it comes in for the medium. And then I also got a small. This is what the small looks like. I think I got the small baby blue. So, let's see. Okay guys, so let's open the medium one first, okay? So like I said, it comes in a brown box. It took about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get to the house from when I ordered it. So that wasn't too bad. So the medium one was $214. That's my grandnephew in the background, by the way. So it comes in a Ziploc bag like this. And then it's kind of like a pouch. And then inside the Ziploc is a white drawstring bag. Pretty cute. Hey. Nice little feature. Yeah. So then when you take it out of the drawstring, and I guess you could store the bag in the drawstring, or you can use the drawstring for something else. It's up to you. Ooh. There you go, guys. Pretty basic, but it feels good, guys. So this is it. This is what it looks like. There you go. And so it has a little thing with the strap right here. And let me take this off. Ooh, that's neat, like a little Velcro. And it has a longer strap. Wow, I like that because it's pretty long, and usually I have an issue with the straps being like too short, so I think I'm gonna like that. And then it has two smaller straps here. And then it has just a little tag with the Telfar and established 2005, New York City. So let me show you guys. There you go. So you can wear it back, like this. So here's the bag. Here's the bag. Pretty long strap. And then the shorter strap if you want to carry it like this. And then inside the bag, that. And then you also have an inside zipper like that. So I think I'm gonna like this bag. So guys, I switched location for the smaller box so that way you guys can get a better view. But here's a small one. Comes in the same brown box, similar. And then, let's see. So similar to the bigger one, we have the Ziploc bag. Yeah, guys. So this one was $159, $160. And then it comes in a similar bag with the logo, nice logo, Telfar logo. And in the back it says Telfar, established 2005, New York City. So this one is the small cool blue one. Excuse the nails. Okay. So then it comes in a nice little drawstring bag right here. And not bad. Ooh, hair is looking crazy, but oh well. My niece did my makeup, guys. How do I look? Alright. My niece did my makeup, so let me show off for a minute. Oh God, sorry. Excuse the noise in the background. But anyway, there you go. By the way, before I open this one, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share, okay? One Life Adventures TV. Make sure you like up the video them and share up the video them, okay? Let me tell you why I decided to get some nice bags, and I'm gonna get some nice suitcases as well, because I have so many suitcases and bags, and it seems like my family always takes them. Like when I go to Jamaica, like it's the suitcase graveyard. Like I have so many suitcases back home that my family took back to Jamaica. So I'm getting some nice bags, you know what I mean? So yeah. So my niece did my makeup. Yeah, Get Into the Eyes, Faces by Jody. Check her out on Instagram. So this is the small. Wow, this is super small. I didn't expect it to be that small, but the color is everything, guys. It is everything. Look at that color. But it's super small, actually. I didn't expect it to be this small. But it has the same little Velcro strap. And then it has the long straps. It's pretty long. And then it has the logo here. And then it has the shorter straps. So I think this one's gonna be way too small for me. So I'm probably gonna give it to my niece. But yeah. And then on the inside, it's similar. And then this one doesn't have like the inside pocket or the inside compartment. It just has like the logo inside. But this is cute to fit like your phone, or you know, like something small. You have a cute little outfit to take out. Yeah, but she's cute. A little smaller than I thought, but it's cute. And this is vegan leather as well. But yeah, so this is nice. So I'm gonna give this one to my niece. It's too small for me. So guys, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to One Life Adventures TV. You know, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and also hit the bell so you know when we have new videos coming out. So guys, those are the Telfar bags. Small one, blue, cute, she's cute. And this is, I'm keeping this one. I'm definitely keeping this one. The medium eggplant. She's cute. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to One Life Adventures TV. See you later. Mwah.